All right, 42-1. So for number 1, we need to draw out the triangle. So A, B, C. And so angle A is 104, side B is 25, and side C is 37. So remember, we learned different formulas for the triangles. And so for this one, we need to use the formula that's side angle side. And so that one is 1/2 times the two given sides times the sine of the given angle. So this is going to be 1/2 times 37 times 25 times the sine of 104, and you plug that into your calculator and you're going to get your answer. So for this one, the three sides, when you have side, 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 that's going to be the square root of s times s minus a times s minus b times s minus c, where s equals a plus b plus c all over 2. Now you're going to realize this is going to be similar to what we did yesterday. This is not a triangle. So for this one, we got to draw it. So because it's side angle side, we're going to use the law of cosines. And then refer to the law of cosine stuff to be able to do that. Number 8, solving each triangle. So this is where we're going to do like all these different SOHCAHTOA stuff. So to find this angle here, angle A, 180 degrees minus 90 minus 43.7. I'll say that this is x and this is y, just to make it easier. To find x, that's opposite from this angle, and this is adjacent, and this is my hypotenuse. So that's tangent. So the tangent of 43.7 equals x over 10.5. Multiply both sides by 10.5, so you get x equals 10.5 tangent of 43.7. And then the hypotenuse, which is the y, or my h. So this one is going to be adjacent over hypotenuse, so cosine. So the cosine of 43.7 equals adjacent over hypotenuse. And so y is going to equal 10.5 over cosine of 43.7. And enter all of that stuff in our calculator. I'll do number 11. So f of x equals 2x squared minus x, and we're using the difference quotient. So that's f of x plus h minus f of x all over h. So my input is x plus h. So this is going to be equals 2 times x squared plus 2xh plus h squared minus x minus h. So 2x squared plus 2xh plus, 4, plus 2h squared minus x minus h, because I distributed. Then plugging them in, f of x plus h we said was 2x squared plus 4xh plus 2h squared minus x minus h minus 2x squared minus x all over h. That'll cancel out, because once you distribute the negative, so then you get 4xh plus 2h squared minus h over h, and h out of all of these will cancel out. And that's our result.